Hello students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths. Let's go to exercise 15A, 13th problem. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, D is a point on BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. This angle is equal to this angle. Prove that CA squared is equal to CB into CD. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, it is given that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Angle C is common to both the triangles ABC and triangle ADC. So for triangle ABC, it is angle ACB. For this triangle, for triangle ADC, it is angle ACD. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. Now let us write the third angle. Which is the third angle? This is one angle. This is second angle. Third angle in triangle ABC is equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to the third angle. Angle in triangle ADC is this angle DAC or angle CAD. Now after writing all the angles, equating all the angles, now let us go on writing the side opposite these angles. What is the side opposite? Angle BAC. In triangle ABC, the side opposite angle BAC is equal to BC. The side opposite angle ADC, angle ADC is AC. The side opposite angle ACB, angle ACB in triangle ABC is AB. The side opposite angle ACD, angle ACD in triangle ADC is AD. The side opposite angle ABC in triangle ABC is AC. The side opposite angle CAD is CD. Now in similar triangles, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, BC upon AC is equal to AB upon AD is equal to AC upon CD. BC upon AC is equal to AB upon AD is equal to AC upon CD. What do you have to prove? CA squared is equal to CB into CD. AC is equal to what? CA. Instead of AC, we shall write CA. AC is what? CA. BC is equal to CB. Now we have to prove that CA squared is equal to CB into CD. Here CA is there, here CA is there, CD is there and CB is there. Let us take these two. So CB upon CA is equal to CA upon CD. When you cross multiply this, we get CB into CD is equal to CA square. So CA square is equal to CB into CD proved. In this figure, triangle ABC and triangle AMP, this is P, are right angled at B and M respectively. It is given that AC is equal to 10 centimeter. AC is 10 centimeter. AP is equal to 15 centimeter. PM is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Then we have to find AB and BC. So in triangle ABC and AMP, ABC and AMP. triangle ABC and triangle AMP. ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. Given right angle. This angle is common to both the triangles. For triangle ABC, this is what? It is CAB. Is equal to, in triangle AMP, it is angle MAP or PAM. Common angle. Now the third angle of triangle ABC is this angle ACB, is equal to third angle of triangle AMP, that is this angle APM. Third angles. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Therefore, the corresponding sides are proportional. Let us write the sides now. Side opposite angle ABC is equal to AC. Side opposite angle AMP, AP. Side opposite angle CAB, BC, upon side opposite angle MAP, PM, is equal to side opposite angle ACB, AB, upon side opposite angle APM, AM. The corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. What is given here? AC is equal to 10 centimeter. This is given. AP is equal to 15 centimeter. This is given. And PM is equal to 12 centimeter. So it is very easy to find BC. BC is equal to what? So BC is equal to AC into PM upon AP. AC is equal to 10 centimeter, PM is equal to 12 centimeter, and AP is equal to what? 15 centimeter. 5 3s are 5 2s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 2s are 8 centimeter. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Now what about AB? We have to find AB now. We have BC is equal to 8 centimeter, PM is equal to 12 centimeter. But we don't have AM. In order to find AB, we need AM. So in this triangle AMP, AP is equal to 15 centimeter and PM is equal to 12 centimeter. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. So 15 squared is equal to 225 minus 12 squared is equal to 144 is equal to AM square. 225 minus 144 is equal to what? It is 81. So AM is equal to 9. AM is equal to what? 9 centimeter. So this is 9 centimeter. So BC upon PM into AM is equal to AB. BC is equal to what? BC is equal to 8 centimeter. AM is equal to 9 centimeter. And PM is equal to 12 centimeter. That is AB. 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. AB is equal to 6 centimeter.